dear students, welcome to IMS Academy. So today we have with us Bharath as who have scored an AIR of 595 in EC stream. So Bharath, please come.
Hi guys, thank you so much.
So Bharath, many congratulations to you on this huge success.
Thank you sir.
So Bharath, I would like to know what is your background actually.
Okay, so I am a passed out student of JSS Science and Technology University 2020 batch. So I was working for 2 years through COVID, and once everything got open, then I thought of joining IMS GATE Academy. So that is a brief background of myself.
So what was actually your preparation strategy?
Okay, my preparation strategy was to begin, start with the flow, like whatever the faculty says, to go with the flow. And once June or July hits, I'll go to the full throttle, and then I'll make all the notes. Like as the class goes, I would make the notes, and I would even make the short notes, so that at the end it would be a very good beneficial for me, as many of the faculty suggested. So this was a rough strategy which I used.
Wonderful. So Bharath, how IMS GATE Academy has helped you in throughout your journey of preparation?
Okay, so the IMS GATE Academy has a good set of faculties for both online and offline. So the faculties, they have a high energy level. So the enthusiasm and energy level in the class is very high. So you won't get bored actually. So basically, I would prefer a high energy level of classroom. So that was like you were attentive all the time, like 3 hours or 6 hours, whatever you sit. It was full attentive. So all the faculties were top notch. So that helped. Their advices, all the advices were top notch, and they would give only 3 to 4 advice. That would be very sufficient, and if you follow that, that's done. You can crack a very good rank.
Excellent. So that's very nice from you. So I would like to know when should a student start his preparation, and what is the role of test series in preparation?
Yeah, sure. So
when the student actually attempt the test series,
yeah, sure.
And how should they take the feedback of test series?
Sure. So basically, ideally, the preparation could be started from March, or let's say April 1. So initially you start in a slow pace. Let's say you will have some lag or something. So by June, at least you should be on a full throttle. Within 4 months, ideally it's better to cover all the subjects, at least one, along with the DPP and all, or whatever the exercise books they give, the IMS GATE Academy. So September and October end. So let's say student completes by October end. That would be the best time. And November, December entire for test series and short notes preparation, which you might not have done. So it's a best time. So you write the test and analyze each and every test, and you see how should I attempt a test. So what attempting general aptitude would make the attempting test faster, or maths faster. So that self-analysis has to be done in the month of November, December, and short notes preparation has to be done. And then January, it's only a revision. Just flip the notes and just release the pressure and just revise things without any tension. So
wonderful. So they should take the feedback of test series in a positive
manner. Yeah.
If it is not going in your way, you should be dealing with the concept in which you are lagging.
Correct.
That's
so self-analysis is very important during the test series. So initial first 5 tests should be analyzed like double the time. So if you take a test for 3 hours, full length test, so you should be analyzing it for another 3 hours or 4 hours. So you should be seeing how should I approach a test, from which part should I start, or where did I go wrong. So once you get that flow after like 4 or 5 tests, then you can do every test in 4 hours, like 3 hours test and 1 hour for the questions which are not done by you, 1.5 hours. You can build up in that way. Slowly, you can pace up from November. By December, you would be in that momentum. So keep that momentum till the exam.
Excellent. So Bharath, now I would like to ask you how you have actually managed those 3 hours of exam, because there a lot of pressure is there. So how you have managed those 3 hours?
Yeah. So before that 3 hours, the previous day, so my preparation was done. So the day of exam, it's all the variables are not in our control. So I just let go of that variables. So I am sure, I'm confident that whatever preparation I have done to the fullest. So then when the exam started, I knew general aptitude was the first one which I would attempt. So I had that strategy in mind. So I went with that flow, and my target was to finish within 2.5 hours, and half an hour you should be seeing the questions which are not done by you. You can even prepone it, like 2 hours you can finish the exam, and then even last 1 hour you can see for the questions which are not done by you, or the questions which are lengthier. So it depends on self-analysis.
You mean to say whichever questions the students are able to attempt in
Yeah.
the very first few minutes, they should go for that. And if suppose they are not able to make any question, they should not feel distracted.
Correct.
And let it be, and you should attempt those questions at the end.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how you can manage those 3 hours
Correct.
in a very relaxed manner.
Relaxed manner. Correct.
So, Bharath, what will be, I think, your suggestion to the future GATE aspirants, how they should plan their success?
Yeah. So as I said, the strategy. So don't waste the time. So if you keep something pending, then it keeps adding up. So finally, you like it would be a neck to neck thing. It's like you won't have enough time for all the things whichever you have thought. Basically, ideally, you start your slow pace study from April itself, so that you can cover at least like 1 or 2 subjects in first 2 months. May then you go on a full throttle, 100%. You put your 100% efforts, and from June, July, August, September, October, 5 months, you give full efforts and finish all the subjects, and then go for a test series. During test series, you will be little relaxed, so you'll be just revising and giving the test series. So then you can keep that momentum. Keeping that momentum is very important up till the end. So once you attain that consistency, better to keep that till the end and not to get distracted like by going for a tour or something. So the main factor is to keep the consistency and momentum, because it's all about how you solve a question within 2.5 minutes. So better, the faster you solve, the faster you can finish the exam and more time you get, and you will be relaxed.
So student, as you can hear from Bharath, who have really scored a very good rank. So first of all, you have to make a plan for your success. Then you have to strategize everything. And then revision plays a vital role in every preparation. So you have to be better prepared for revision and take test series as positive as you can and attempt as many tests as you can. This is the experience that Bharath has shared with us. So this is a well-organized plan that Bharath has executed. So you can execute the same as well. So Bharath, once again, many congratulations to you. All the best for your future endeavors. Thanks, and thanks for coming here.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Thank you, guys.